It has arrived. Adelaide's fleece is here from Prince Edward Island. So let's open and see what's inside. This arrived yesterday afternoon, but I was in the middle of doing a test knit for my upcoming knit-along in May, and I was like, nope, I've got to get that sock finished, because once I open this, I'm going to be going down a deep rabbit hole. So let's open this. And I will put the buyer's profile link in the description of this video. So if you'd like to get your hands on some, she might have some available. Not of Adelaide's fleece, but of another one. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to pop this down right here. Okay, here we go. Oh, well, it's not blue. That's the blue bag. Oh, wow. Okay, let's take this out. This is my first time buying this type of fleece. Wow. Really got this in here good. I love these flat rate boxes because you can put in as much as you want and it's still the same price. I think this one is, I'm not too sure, up to 11 pounds maybe, I'm not sure. Oh, okay. So here is the, yep, there's her name, Adelaide. And it is 4.81 pounds. So I'm going to pop that up here. Let's bring this up here. Oh, wow. Look at this. So let's take a... Oh, isn't that beautiful? This is a Valais Blacknose sheep, and yeah. Beautiful, I'm so excited. Whoops, can't lose a piece there. So, I've got the fleece, and like I said, I'm gonna give it a good shake, and then I will scour it, and what I'm gonna use to scour it with is I've got a bucket here. This water's gonna have to go. It's from before. And then over here, I've got my bucket heater. So I'm gonna use that because I'm in the greenhouse, and to keep going back and forth with hot water isn't gonna work. So that'll work. The other thing I also have is I was using a kitty litter of all things, and just putting the fleece in here and then soaking it, and then I can just lift it out like this. So that works really well, but that's for my more finer fleeces. I don't think I'm gonna be pulling this fleece out by... Oh, hello little guy, how are you? Enjoying the sun? So I don't think I'm going to pull each lock and lay them out to scour. I think I'll just put them all in a bucket. But anyway, I might change my mind. You know, we're allowed to do that. But oh, look at that. Oh, thank you so much for raising such beautiful animals. Oh, what's this? Oh, that might be a part we don't want to. So anyway, all fun and games. I'll put some gloves on because, oh my gosh, the lanolin in my hands already. So anyway, so I wanted to share that with you. And I'm gonna tie this up really good. Put it back in the box for now. Don't want any critters getting into it. And then the other thing I wanted to show you is this is the Friesen wool that has been scoured and dried, and it's been sitting here for a couple of days, so it's ready to pick. And then what I'm going to use is I'm just going to use some slicker brushes, and I will make this into Rolex. I'll show you. Oh, here's my, I was doing a little video, so here's my Cotswold, and here's the finished yarn, and I've got a batch drying here, and I was also just spinning some just to play around, so I was doing that. And what else can I show you? I think that's it. Yeah, so anyway, oh, I know what I was going to show you. Let me see if I can grab this. So this place was all clean, and then it just kind of gets full really quickly, but that's okay. This is my place. So I just use these dot brushes, and that's what I card my fiber with. So what I do is I just take some fleece like this, and I just open it up like that, and then I just put it on my slicker brush just like that, and just keep going. I'll do another one. Now I haven't gotten, if there's any second cuts, I haven't done anything like that. And some of them, you know, you go to open them up and you just find there. Okay, so anyway, you get the idea. You just put a whole bunch on there, and then you just card it like this, and then go back and forth a couple times. A nice easy way to get introduced into fiber arts without spending, you know, a ton of money. And then I just roll it like this with two hands. I'm doing it with one, like that. And this would be a lot bigger, of course. And then just draft it a little bit like this. And now I'm ready to spin. So I'll just grab my spindle, take this off. There's always more sheep growing fiber. And then just create my leader. There we go. And then push it down. Now I've got this on here. Probably should have taken that off, but you get the idea. And now I'm on my way to spinning. So this spindle that I designed, I use as a support spindle, and then I wind on to the Turkish arms to create my nest. So I would have this down on something, but I'm just doing it like this to show you how I'm drafting. So there you go. Nice, inexpensive way to learn everything about fiber. There's the inexpensive brushes, and the spindle is also inexpensive. So, ooh, this is almost dry. I just put this out this morning. Oh, lovely. Yeah, it's almost dry, and I love this. There's just little bits of black in here. The BFL with the Cotswold. It's a Cotswold BFL breed, so, oh, it's a little wet there. It's got a feel of mohair, but it doesn't have the itch of mohair, which is really nice. So yeah, all fun and games. So we are going to put this back in there, hopefully. And oh, look at that down there. I can see. Let's see, I've got to open the bag. I've got to see that. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, I can't wait. Have a great afternoon. Have a great weekend. And we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.